name is Kylie Mason and I'm doing Lab 1 today for Chem 2. I'm first going to drop 8 drops of sodium bromide into my well. Now I'm going to do 1 drop of silver nitrate into my sodium bromide mix. Oh, it's kind of got a cloudy white appearance. Now I'm going to do 2 drops of the hydrochloric acid into my sodium bromide mix. Alright. And it is starting to turn like a white and cloudy. It's still white and cloudy. Now I'm going to go in with 8 drops of sodium carbonate. I'm going to go in with my silver nitrate, 1 drop. Oh, interesting. Very cloudy on the outside, more of a clearish on the inside, if you can see that. Now I'm going to go in with the hydrochloric acid. 2 drops. And it's actually making it less cloudy. This is making it less cloudy. Now I'm going to go in with 8 drops of sodium chloride. Now 1 drop of silver nitrate into my sodium chloride mix. Ooh, very interesting reaction. It is giving clear on the top and white and cloudy kind of below. So interesting. Now I'm going to go in with my hydrochloric acid, 2 drops, to my chloride mixture. It's really just remaining the same. I'm going to go in with 8 drops of sodium iodide. Alright, I'm going to go in with 1 drop of my silver nitrate into my iodide mixture. Oh, that's a very interesting color. It's kind of coming off as like a green, like more of like dark in the middle, light white outside. I think it might just be giving green because of the reflection in here. Now I'm going to go in with 2 drops of the hydrochloric acid into my iodine. And that is, it's separating a little, just a little, but it's still remaining the same. Now I'm going to do 8 drops of sodium sulfate. Alright, now I'm going to go in with silver nitrate, 1 drop. Alright. Still kind of clear. Gonna go with remaining clear. Now I'm gonna go in with my hydrochloric acid, 2 drops, into my sulfate mixture. 1, 2. Ooh, it's turning cloudy. Interesting. Now I'm gonna go in with 8 drops of sodium sulfide. Now I'm going to go in with 1 drop of the silver nitrate. Ooh, interesting. Brown. It's cool. We are now going to do 2 drops of the hydrochloric acid into my sulfide mixture that is brown. It's kind of starting to become clotted, which it's losing the brown color. And it does not smell pleasant. We are now going in with 8 drops of unknown 103. Now I'm going to go in with 1 drop of the silver nitrate into my unknown 103. Ooh, it's giving off white and cloudy. Now we're going to go in with the hydrochloric acid, 2 drops into my unknown solution. It's kind of remaining the same. Oh, if you can look, it's kind of starting to bubble up. Look what's bubbling right here in the same one. I'm betting that's going to be carbonate. Now we are going in with unknown 104. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We're going to go in with 1 drop of the silver nitrate. Oh, you know what that means. I'm already starting to think that it's sulfide because it turned a dark brown. You never know. Now we're going to go in with 2 drops of the hydrochloric acid. It's becoming clotted and it's losing that brown color, kind of looking like this one. I think I'm going to go with sulfide. I have now completed the first portion of this lab, so I'm now going to close this up and put it over here for right now. And it says that I need to grab my pie tin. Let me grab that real quick. I'll be right back. I have now got my pie tin, and I'm going to put my wick fuel, burner fuel, into here. And I'm going to twist this cap off. I'm now going to light my burner fuel. Okay. Okay, lit. It's very small right now, but they say it'll build up. Starting with potassium iodide, I've already gotten a pea-sized amount out, and you are to hold it over the flame in between the orange and the blue. I'm kind of seeing a light pink if you look in there close enough. Kind of right in there. I don't know if the camera can show it, but it's looking kind of light pink. Now we're going to go in with calcium chloride, a pea-sized amount. Let's see, they're kind of chunky, so I hope that I can squeeze a few in. Here we go. Ooh. It's kind of a red. If you can see it. Get down here with it. You kind of see that red? It's kind of... It's hard to see probably on the camera. We are now going to go in with the pea size of lithium hydroxide. Ooh, it's a dark purple. Y'all see that? Showing up so beautifully. We are now going in with the pea-sized amount of sodium chloride. Ooh, it's orange. You see that? Very orange. Pretty. We are now going in with this beautiful copper nitrate. Copper 2 nitrate. Beautiful color. Pea-sized amount. Oh, I can already see it's green. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we are now on unknown number 105. You know, it's kind of looking like copper nitrate. Just from the blue, the beautiful blue. Let's see. Let's see if they're trying to trick us. I don't think so. It's turning green. Look at that, beautiful. All right, we are now going in with unknown number 106. Pea-sized amount, as always. All right. Holding it. And it is kind of giving off some light pink. If the camera can see that, I'm seeing some pink, light pink colors, meaning that that would be potassium. We are now on unknown number 107. Kind of some chunky pieces. Let's see if I can't get one out. Here we go. Oh, it's giving off kind of some red, if I'm seeing that correctly. It's giving off some beautiful red colors, meaning that is calcium, if I'm correct. I'm now done with using my burner, my fuel burner. So I'm now going to take a tin cup and put it safely on top to eliminate the flux. So we are now going to grab the well back out because it is called in this table 3 experiment. And it says here that we are going to start with 106. I'm now going to get a pea-sized amount of my unknown 106. And I'm going to put it into this empty well right here. I'm now going to get a pipette full of my distilled water here. And I'm going to put, let's see. Oh, how many drops that is. 2 drops of this into my pea-sized amount of 106. All right. Okay, as I'm starting to look at this, it is starting to kind of look like the middle is darker, and then it kind of fades into a lighter color. I'm now going to do 1 drop of my silver nitrate. Ooh, turning it kind of a green color, if I do say so myself. Now I'm going to take 2 drops of this hydrochloric acid and put it into my unknown 106 solution. 1, 2. Again, it's kind of, the middle is darker and then it fades into a lighter color. Now we're going to go in with unknown 107 into one of my wells. I'm just going to get 2 chunky pieces and just drop them right down in there. I'm going to take my distilled water here, pipette, and do 2 drops. It says 1 to 4 for both of them, but I just do 2. I feel like that's a good number for both of them. Now I'm going to go in with 1 drop of silver nitrate. Interesting. Now I'm going to go in with my hydrochloric acid, 2 drops, into my unknown solution. 2 drops. 1, 2. Interesting. It's kind of a cloudy white color. Kind of reminded me of calcium.